Hey, Dana, welcome to my vlog. The 28th of November, Sunday, and it is snowing. We got about 2 inches on the ground. Mommy, ready to go in? You ready to go in? Okay, let's go. We'll go in. Looking to be. The cat was out here already. Here we go. Come on, Mama. Go in. All done with. Come on, baby. Mama. Mama! Come on! Come on, Mama! Okay, Mama. I see. I'm trying to poop. That's good. She's back to her normal health. Aren't ya? Huh? She's back to her normal health. In a good month. We were within 24 hours of losing her because her uterus went septic on her. So we had to get her in, and she had her operation. Ready? There you go. All right. Expensive, $3,000 for that. So recommendations: you have a female dog you love. She's not having puppies, have her spayed. Or after she's had her puppies and she's not having any more, have her spayed. Alright, thanks for watching. You have comments, subscribe, definitely share. Catch you on the next Dana Crosby's vlogs.